Hey guys, today we'll have a really fun video because I'm going to show you 3 different projects and websites that pay you money without any investment. Basically, free money online. Best part is I'm using all 3 of these projects myself, so I will show you the results, how it all works, and of course, how can you start also. So the first project is called Freecash. Talked about it a few times. It's a really simple website where you do simple tasks and you get paid. For example, if we jump into my dashboard, you can see right now I have $32 in my wallet. Basically, I did around 10 different tasks as an example and I earned $32. But if you want to actually browse the website, you can click offers and you will get all the different offers this website has. For example, you can play this game and get $88. You can see what you need to do to get the money. So if you install, you get 1 cent. If you create a character, you get 2 cents. And you can select from multiple different tasks. Also, you can find all the links in the description for all of these websites. And if you use my code, my link, you always are getting the bonus. So I think this is a really cool website. It's an easy money. It's a free money website. And what's also really great, you can actually withdraw your money anytime. And they have really lots of choices. For example, you can withdraw using PayPal, Bitcoin, Stake, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, or you can actually even withdraw using gift cards. So I think this is a really cool website. You can withdraw from 25 cents. And I think you're gonna earn 25 cents same day, easy. I think you can earn around like $10, $20 because if we jump into the leaderboards, you can see how much other people are earning. So for example, this person earned $340, second person earned $245, and this is actually a daily chart. If we jump into the monthly chart, you can see people are making $2,300 a month just by doing these simple tasks. So if you want to try it, use my link in the description. I guarantee you're gonna make money and you can actually withdraw your money. Next up, we're gonna talk about more crypto project and it's called Stellar. I talked about it on my channel also, and I'm still using it because it actually pays me free money. All I need to do is just have a phone, have a Telegram app, and use the link in description. This will open this app, and right here you're earning Tron. So basically, with this platform, with this project, all you need to do is just invite friends. So let's click refs. And right here, when you invite friends, you're getting paid. So invite your friends to the universe of mining Tron and get 5,000 Shiba tokens. And if we go to my wallet, you can see how much I'm actually earning. At the moment, I still have 10 million tokens I can actually withdraw. And if you check lower, you can see how many tokens I already withdrawn. So actually, I'm making decent money. I think $800 just from this Telegram app. The only thing you need to know that actually to withdraw, you have to deposit and boost your account, which is really easy. Just click boost. And I think it costs 10 Tron. It's really cheap. Just boost your account, invite friends, grow your Shiba, and withdraw to your wallet. Again, I think this is a really cool app. It still pays because I'm still withdrawing the money. And if you have any issues, of course, you can always contact the team because I saw people like having misunderstandings. So you can always contact the project team because they have active Telegram group where they actually chat with the members. So again, guys, I think this is a really cool app. You can make like $500, $800 a month if you invite enough friends. And now let's talk about the third option, which is a bit different because at the moment you cannot withdraw, but I think this could be a pretty cool and interesting opportunity to actually generate some income. And I'm talking about the project called BlockDAG. And basically they have this mining app. I can show right here where you open the app, you just click activate BlockDAG. It's a mobile miner similar to Pi Network, except I think this is way more hyped and actually they have way more money to launch the project. And again, all you need to do is just use my link in the description. Also use my code because this code, this referral code will give you a bonus. And after you download this app, just refer other people to join the app also. So for my example, you can see right now I'm mining 32 tokens an hour. And right here on the top, you can see my balance. So actually, I managed to mine $1,671. The only asterisk with this project, I cannot actually withdraw this money before the launch. So this is like an iffy project, but it costs nothing. So why not try it? And I also saw people talking, maybe it's a scam, but for this project, it could be a scam, but they have really big partners. They have like UFC champions as a partners. They raised millions of dollars. And I think why not try? Because you can actually get free money. And this is actually just the starting price. So at the starting price of the token, I already have $1,600. And if it does 2x, 3x, so you can actually calculate how much you can actually make. So for this project, you cannot withdraw, but I think this could be a good opportunity. Again, guys, remember this video is not a financial advice, but I think all of these projects could be really beneficial if if you don't have a big budget. And also don't forget to subscribe, because on my channel, I'll talk about different ways to make money online with crypto, without a budget, with budget, make 100x, and of course, how to make your wallet grow. And also we have a free Telegram group in description. And for our VIP members, we have a luxury VIP group where you can actually talk with me. I'm going to talk about the portfolios. I'm going to actually review your tokens and show you how to make money personally.